Let me show you all methods that allow you to capture a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So first of all, we can use the combination of two buttons, the power button and the volume down button. So if you press both of these buttons at once, then you can easily capture a screenshot just like that. The same combination can be done for the cover screen. However, in this case, of course, the volume button is here, and here we have the power button. So we need to use these two buttons to take the screenshot. There we go, just like that. Besides that, of course, we also have the palm gesture. So we can swipe our hand like this, for example, from left to the right side or from the right side to the left side. So it looks like this, for example. Of course, the gesture can be disabled in the settings. So in case this gesture doesn't work for you, you want to go to settings, then scroll down to advanced features, go to motions and gestures, and make sure that that palm swipe to capture is enabled. Besides that, you can also use the quick settings panel. Over here, you might be able to find a shortcut that allows you to take a screenshot, but it is also possible that you will not find it by default. So you will have to tap on this pen and choose add a control, and then we need to search for take screenshot, which you should be able to find in the capture section. And then you can just, for example, drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. Then we can use this button to take a screenshot. There we go. And also we have the assistant menu, which we also need to enable. So if we go to settings again, then we can scroll down to go to accessibility, then choose interaction and dexterity, and then here we can enable the assistant menu, and then you can tap on that button, and here we have the screenshots button, which we can use to, of course, take a screenshot. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.